Hello and welcome to Bosh TV. Today's recipe is a really good one. Why? Because we're making a Wellington. Now, we love Wellingtons at Easter, we love Wellingtons at Christmas. We also like Wellingtons every other Sunday with a Sunday roast. So, you know, Halloween is upon us. So we decided it was a good idea to mark Halloween and make a Wellington especially for it. Truly delicious. Let's get into the recipe. So we're starting off by making the filling. It's packed full of vegetables, so it's super duper healthy. Now this Wellington has got a completely different flavour profile, a completely different filling to what you're used to seeing before, and it's obviously got a really cool decoration. Obviously we've got some pumpkin in there, as they're in season right now, and it's a really great Halloweeny ingredient. For flavour, we've got a whole host of herbs, some red wine, which you could substitute with something else like balsamic vinegar, and we've got some dried porcini mushrooms. Now we're going to soak the porcini mushrooms and we're going to get that water, because that water is going to be full of wonderful umami flavour, and that's exactly what we need inside this Wellington. Finally, for the filling, we're adding some green lentils, which is going to be really good for you, providing lots and lots of protein and, what's more, extremely cheap. Now you can decorate your Wellington however you see fit, but what we're going to use is little bats, because, you know, it's Halloween. Now the filling's done, it's time to assemble our Wellington. Today we're going to be using 2 sheets of puff pastry, but you could quite easily use a short crust pastry, just make sure it's vegan. Scoop your filling into the centre, cover with the other sheet and press down. Use a fork to crimp the edges. Now we're using plant-based milk to brush the top of the Wellington to protect it from the heat and also inspire that pastry to turn into a wonderful golden brown colour. So that's our Wellington done. We're going to pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around about 40 to 45 minutes until it is beautifully golden and crispy. Now it's time to serve our Wellington. Look at how good that looks. Now, when you cut your Wellington, make sure you use a bread knife because it's the easiest way to cut it with a nice, even cut. Now, we're going to serve ours with all the trimmings because this is a roast dinner and we don't want to scrimp on anything. So there you have it, a Halloween Wellington. It looks amazing, it tastes amazing, and it's a great way to get the whole family around the dinner table to mark Halloween, since we can't go out and do trick-or-treating as usual. Now, if you like the video, let us know in the comments below. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because there's loads more wonderful recipes just like this coming very, very soon. And also, if you do make it, we want to see. So take a photograph, pop it on Instagram, and we will do our best to regram it. As per usual, it's been an absolute pleasure cooking with you today, and we will see you again soon.